Bhuaid Luachma Caisleán Laighnigh Chraobh Iomána's Peile Hibredáir na fé tríideach fé hain. An aeróchtán techt éisceach túil san bhaint amach a ríiste fé cair. Nún aerócht leis na Tráchtálaithe Cluan Meala a dríomh Chraobh Peile sa chéile bhuachaint an chiadóir ón an 60. Más macatír a hamon tráchtáilta le chlé ceannis Peile Hibredáir.
Cahamid súla dúisinis Luachma Caisleán Laighnigh Tronhóna. Tos níon Joey Hennessy sa chúla nuamhdóibh le Tommy Maher, Massey McGrath agus Owen O'Connell sa lína le chúla nuamhacha. Tá Noel McGrath agus Liam Tracy i mohaláir na parca cahabh ganzíomh 8 agus ganzíomh 9. Chun tusaigh beag Liam McGrath na kickan na séra a hógan nuamhdóibh. I fiechan na Tráchtálaithe Cluan Meala Shane Ryan tá sig sa chúla nuamhacha le Michael Quinlivan cahabh ganzíomh sé at galore. Tá Cahal Deely agus Jack Kennedy le chéile Mustalára rístinmh agus Sean O'Connor an fear chun na scór nach haim siúdóibh. Shelibski schoen in Nishatá, verder los Shelivin is hoog de machen agus beter piece of spás in is hard. Lorna Parkinson, Captain and Liam Tracy, component leer hood at Sundive. Shahoon Lish Liam McGrath, Chesh Tachmachon. In along the Sachatson, Cowernish attacked us in the cooler in such a Shahoon, O'Connell, the Fiddle own score egg in the halt and so Dorn more correlation Gounson again. Irish and Grasnan, Caannani as Fachtens, they get shoot at Sun. Reach Michael Quinlivan, Sun Cahav Ganzi, even the shave Tron Hona, Akilorg will check, Gimmert. He's bug Tefier. And so Tronhona Koch better. We're more Sharaik in the park at Tronhona Kihimid kind of hitting him after Haldili. Maxos the park in the Rishnish. Shahun in Rish and Federlo. But they in the heart took his Fragger Horter and scored Das Facht and Son of Cogus count Cara Harris and Drosnach and then Fardine Sherrick and Sean O'Connor. Risha Shun Tommy Maher. Trowlesh Sus in the park is Neil Meala Necher and the Cossentori and Sa. Again, Luachma Caisleán Laighnigh Maxus na park Tommy Maher agus Owen O'Connell Bertica Bruce na park agus Reach Chilif get Farlar na park it's Liam Tracy Captain and Árann Leisha Kitoi Cora Harris and Grasnall and son again Goose out and Ray son Count the Letongan and Ishige Liam McGrath and son Federation Council Cora Harris and Grasnall have piece of bug the guy Carulish Harris and Grasnall Wellbach Buaicphointí Shin and Blian Chechun Kihimid and Megna Real Hashin Tachtastach Factor national son again. Colonel Kennedy agus Bísbeg He's not tapula do chun tusig in ishin sa na Tráchtálaithe Cluan Meala Cahashet score egg the halt and Barnishin a Hoskel to reach as a chase Elu Stachan sa on Feder Law score egg in the halt Bard stig in the Chowan sa again Farsa ach Cora Harris and Grasnall and son again Cian Smith. He Lachan Servard and son again stig in the Chowan style. Constant Bultamach Father Mach Joel on the park. Shelavan the Hawk to reached. Bertinson os na Tráchtálaithe Cluan Meala Maxus Gorlier Hoda High Fachtige Captain and Árann it's Liam Tracy. Reached and spots all Hawk the Stiga is the Rishtach spots and so Congrach the Lina da the Kuig. And Federlo score Ella Hot Shahun and Fardine Sherrick score of on I'm Shehega shoot in Liam McGrath son of Calella Cora Harris and Grasnall and son again. I shall shoot the Fiachan Sherrick Tronhona. Tommy Maher so Sven Barker reached saw. Meala Necher in the Cossentori Dochan Keen. A founder in the score in the halt and sods and Goya Carula and Sosa Hiedla. Even Connelly, Trostna Reach and Sot, Shahun and Farah Gimmertana. And Vahan Sosa Chraobh Iomána and Caannella Cora Harris and Drosnall get Hawel Ta, beg a brought ball and Macht and order reached. Which then Chiu score Facht to get Liam McGrath ish. Árann McCahey Shachsalar, Cossentorella Tachtsus Van Barkinson. Larkin Egan agus Reach Noel McGrath saw and Federal Noel score egg in the halt Bishop Congrach the body halt and saw on Federal Craig no Harlesha is faded a Harris and Grasnall and son again Brian McGrath Lachan Servard and Sunaka he shestig in the Chowana Carcalor and Lear Hudson and Trastan Vuska Horshed Dornlesh agus Harris and Grasnall the Tráchtálaithe Cluan Meala Tachtsus Van Barker and so Ross Peters Caf Ganzi with a Kuig Dieganson Tour Coward and Bert Lorna Parkinson on the Ruhara Yanavinishan Salka on Federal score Hall Peter McGarry forced a relation sod Goshe Bod and Sos Gillish F.A. and Sod as Harris and Drosnall saw Vault Madiantic and Maudor and Son he shan't Vod and Son again Peter McGarry Diantic and Son again Joey Hennessy Hashik the whole Tronhona Diantic and Mahaget stop a Hurling Championship Noel McGrath talking the kicks and on a happy good son Rishni should have towards the end chances in the Cossentori Titim Shear and Sot on the Bruce Soster in the Cossentori and so Larkin Egan as Tommy Maher Maxus Van Barkas like Hughes na Broig will go to Shinta on Council attacked over Roy Liam Tracy and Tarn account Fachtige shoot on Sosa Hiedla agus the Gibber Kahunta Karfad What do have an ordination Sot well Caiting the Tráchtálaithe Cluan Meala is Tachtamach and Sa agus piece of Nís mór caide a dhémarta samar, idir anna chosantach sa chéad legus ní chuidir, mór andas na scórna. Ar a clár a scór Tránhóna go dísa, a ríiste chun Noel McGrath for Rillen Noel scór a halt agus Harrison spot a dubh, a ceann anna asfachta go siúdad son. Anna Hástan sa Luachma Caisleán Laighnigh leis an Spórt go dísa. Nád de churas ar clár a scór cos a titim siar leis an cosint an bearna sinna há oscail tamachcha. Oscar is go gaig na Tráchtálaithe Cluan Meala taxos féin bark an féidir le scór éigen de halt. Gaig na cosantóirí taxos is pís beag cabhar hort dos na tusa hensa. Se chun farabhán hab deab de scór a halt sinna bit a seachtain sin Páirc Luachma. An alias aimsiad sanna ge bhí sé sinna tastáilmhatha. Rhys Joey, Clúiche gí cymachan son, Counson, well bhín tá leis an son in líor hot in the heart of Árann na Páirce. Has an amach le luas na John McGrath John McGrath a fiachan sus. Féin barcad so céan ráhage an Cluiche count isteach ar Meala-0-7 dhéanaí has sé fós a chá leis Darragh McCahey so leis a dorn hospás á hoscailt agus á halt in isigus na tusin so an Joshad body ní joig war an Counson Cara Harrison Drosnalson ag get fear an nahat slat Brian McGrath. Trusting the Parkinson le Meala reached and so agus well the score le tastáil leis an socha has an tunna díches tachta stachan sashing gún farabhán an Cluiche fíocht ar bád an son an raibh an costin ardhe cadíarg André Thóir nadar well the seo chun spóideach an isise stocha Tránhóna méid bhí iirecht ar bád an son an raibh an cos ardhe stólam go raibhach well cadíarg André Thóir ní deara sé feic an éair an constant shot stachar Meala-0-7 Tráchtálaithe Cluan Meala amachta glórag an báde ach ní dólam gin Joshad chance an báde sinna halt bhfuil fadóg dar nach sétan sa ag André Thóir léine of tá agus tá sé buirtan sa ag Luachma Caisleán Laighnigh nád a héanaíag le nád a seach.
We knew it was going to be a serious effort required for the second half against Commercials to shut them down, but we had the game smarts within the group and we did the job, I suppose. And it's a serious week for the club. Like County Hurling Champions last week in a battle against Thiobraid, County Football Champions this week in a battle against Clonmel Commercials. We won the Premier Junior County Final yesterday after a battle with JK Breckens. And to top it off, it was a busy week for myself. My wife had a baby boy on Tuesday, so in between all that madness, there was a little bit more madness, but everything is great, so it's just an amazing week. My wife Lauren, I'm so thankful for her. She knew how much this means to me personally and to everyone else, that she allowed me the time that it was needed to prepare, and her mum was there to help her in hospital or down at home when she came home, whenever it was needed, and it was just a super week. I'm just so delighted. It's looking like the Limerick or Waterford champions in the hurling and the Limerick or Clare champions in the football. Look, we have a few weeks rest now at least. We can take a break. We probably have no training this week, so it'll be a bit of a change for the lads. It's been going on for so long, I don't know, many weeks now, but we've had matches and stuff, but it'll be grand to have a break and to recharge the batteries, and we certainly will be going to give our best shot in Munster Championship. We're not happy with our lot here. We want more.